Watching someone commit perjury for 6 months is excruciating. Standing up in court and presenting 247 pieces of evidence proving every word was a lie, that's the kind of justice that changes everything. I'm Elena Rodriguez, 34 years old. My ex-husband's new wife, Tara, spent 6 months lying in family court, under oath, claiming I was an unfit mother, that I abused our daughter, that I was mentally unstable, dangerous. Every hearing, new lies, all designed to take my daughter from me. Yesterday was the final custody hearing. Tara took the stand, confident, poised, repeated her lies. Elena is violent, unstable, not safe around children. Then my lawyer said, "Your Honor, we have evidence, 247 pieces, texts, emails, videos, recordings, and photos. Every single statement Miss Tara Chen has made under oath for 6 months, we can prove they're lies. She knew they were lies when she said them. We have her admitting it." The judge's face hardened. Tara went white. My ex-husband looked like he'd been punched. Because I'd saved everything. 6 months of documentation. Every text where she planned her lies. Every recording where she admitted to fabricating. Every photo proves the opposite of what she claimed. This is the story of how 247 pieces of evidence destroyed 6 months of perjury in 45 minutes. Before I tell you what that evidence was, before you hear what the judge did when she saw the proof, hit like now. Comment on our city. This is about documentation defeating perjury, when someone tries to steal your child with lies. 1 year ago, my ex-husband, Marcus, filed for custody modification. We'd been divorced for 3 years, shared 50-50 custody of our daughter, Sophia, age 8. The system worked fine, no issues. Then Marcus married Tara, 6 months after our divorce was finalized. She immediately wanted Sophia full-time. A child needs stability, one primary home. Marcus filed, requesting primary custody, me getting every other weekend. His grounds? Mother's instability and concerning behavior patterns observed over the past year. What instability? What concerning behavior? I had a stable job, high school teacher, same school for 10 years, own home, clean record, good relationship with Sophia, no issues. First hearing, month 1, Tara testified as a concerned stepmother who's observed troubling things. Elena shows up to exchanges disheveled, seems intoxicated. Lie. I'd never been intoxicated at an exchange, ever. Sophia comes home from Elena's house hungry, unfed, dirty clothes. Lie. I always made sure Sophia ate, was clean, was cared for. Elena sends disturbing messages, angry, threatening. Lie. My messages were standard co-parenting. Polite, professional. My lawyer objected. Where's evidence of these claims? Tara said, I witnessed them personally. That's my testimony. The judge said, testimony is evidence. We'll continue to review. Month 2, more hearings, more lies. Tara testified again. Elena has violent outbursts. I've seen her yell at Sophia, grab her roughly. Never happened. Never once. Elena's home is unsafe, clutter, hazards, not child appropriate. My home was clean, safe, child-proofed. Elena missed multiple school events, doesn't prioritize Sophia. I'd missed 1 event in 3 years, parent-teacher conference, because I was teaching, at my own school, during school hours. Not neglect, schedule conflict. Months 3 through 6, escalating lies. Every hearing, more accusations. I was mentally ill, need a psychiatric evaluation. I was financially irresponsible, couldn't provide for Sophia. I was using drugs, needed drug testing. I was emotionally abusive, manipulative, dangerous. None of it is true. All under oath. All designed to paint me as unfit to take my daughter. And my ex-husband sat there, silent, letting Tara lie, supporting every false claim. Sophia cried after each hearing, "Mom, why is Tara saying these things? They're not true." I said, "I know, baby. We'll prove it. I promise." I had to. My daughter was at stake. After the first hearing, I started documenting everything, obsessively. Category 1, text messages. Every text Tara sent me, screenshot, backed up, organized by date. She'd text me directly sometimes, usually hostile, but revealing. Text week 3. "You're a terrible mother. Sophia deserves better. We're going to make sure she lives with us full time." Text week 5. "The judge will see through you. Your act won't last. We have proof you're unfit." What proof? There was no proof, because nothing she claimed was real. But most valuable, texts to her friends. I didn't have direct access, but her friend Rachel, who'd become friendly with me at Sophia's school events, forwarded me screenshots, secretly. Tara to Rachel, month 2. Testified again today, made up more stuff about Elena being drunk. She wasn't, obviously, but I need the judge to think she's unstable. Tara to Rachel, month 3. Going to claim Elena's house is dangerous. I've never actually been inside, but whatever. Judge won't know. She admitted it, in writing. She was lying, knowingly, deliberately. Rachel sent me everything, 43 screenshots, Tara confessing to fabricating testimony. Category 2, photos and videos. I started photographing everything, time-stamped, dated. Sophia is at my house, happy, fed, clean clothes, safe environment. My home, every room, organized, child-safe, no hazards, school events, attendance records, proof I was involved, exchange locations, me arriving on time, sober, professional. Video evidence 23 exchanges. Every single one showed me calm, sober, appropriate. Tara would sometimes be there. The videos caught her reactions, hostile, sneering, but me, always professional. Category 3, school and medical records. Subpoenaed Sophia's school records. Perfect attendance when with me, well-nourished, clean clothes. Teachers noted Elena is consistently engaged and supportive, present. Contradicting neglect claims. Medical records, all appointments kept, child healthy, well-nourished, no signs of abuse or neglect. Doctor's notes, child appears well cared for, no concerns about home environment. Category 4, financial records. Bank statements, paychecks, tax returns, proof of financial stability, regular income, savings, responsible spending, contradicting financial irresponsibility claims. Category 5, witness statements, neighbors, colleagues, Sophia's teachers, friends, everyone who knew me, willing to testify. Written statements, notarized, all saying the same thing. Elena is a good mother, stable, caring, appropriate. 17 witness statements, ready to present. Category 6, Tara's admissions. Rachel's screenshots were gold, but I needed more. Wanted recordings. At one exchange, Tara and I were both early, waiting for Marcus. She started talking, bragging. My recording device was on, legal, one-party consent, recorded every interaction, proof I was calm, appropriate, never violent, never intoxicated. Tara, you know the judge believes me, right? Everything I'm saying, even though half of it's exaggerated and the other half is just creative, made up, whatever you want to call it. The point is, it's working. We're going to get full custody. Sophia will be ours. I had it, recorded, her admitting to lying, in court. Over 6 months, 247 pieces of evidence, organized, cataloged, ready. Yesterday, final custody hearing. Judge Maria Santos presiding. She'd heard 6 months of testimony, was ready to rule. Marcus's lawyer went first. Your Honor, we've presented extensive testimony from Ms. Tara Chen documenting the mother's unfitness. We request primary custody be awarded to the father. Tara took the stand, one last time, sworn in, under oath. Marcus's lawyer, Ms. Chen, can you describe what you've observed about Elena's parenting? She's unstable, violent. I've seen her grab Sophia roughly, yell at her, show up to exchanges intoxicated. Her home is unsafe, cluttered, hazardous, not child-appropriate, not fit to have primary custody. Same lies, 6th month of them, under oath, all designed to paint me as unfit to take my daughter. And my ex-husband sat there, silent, letting Tara lie, supporting every false claim. My lawyer, Patricia Santos, stood. Your Honor, may I cross-examine? Judge, proceed. Patricia, Ms. Chen, you